Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming access and reading the project brief so you know the goals. Next, upload your prototype and outline 5-10 realistic tasks that map to key user flows. Create a concise screener with 3-5 targeted questions to filter participants. This ensures relevant feedback. Once done, set device and demographic requirements, choose moderated or unmoderated, and price each session competitively so participants will sign up quickly and reliably. You now focus on precise targeting and crystal-clear task design because that's where quality comes from. Define demographics and device filters to match your audience, and write each task as a single, actionable sentence with a measurable success metric. Choose session length and incentive that reflect complexity. Too long or low pay reduces completion rates. Once participants start applying, monitor recruitment status and be ready to adjust screener or incentive to reach your desired sample size. You complete the process by running sessions, watching recordings, and taking qualitative notes while observing real user behavior. After enough sessions, download recordings, clips, and create highlight reels to extract patterns and actionable insights. If results look thin, double-check recruitment and metrics. If recruitment lags, increase the incentive or relax overly strict filters. Finally, synthesize findings into prioritized recommendations and share them with stakeholders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.